Hola, bienvenidos a mi canal de YouTube. Estoy muy nerviosa por este video porque es mi primer video en español. A little backstory: if you don't follow me on TikTok, I wanted to do like a me trying to learn Spanish series on TikTok as a no sabo kid because I don't speak it fluently and I really want to learn how to speak it more fluently before my son arrives in 2 months. But since I'm not really consistent on TikTok and there's only so much I can say or practice saying in a short form video, I figured I would bring this me trying to learn Spanish fluently series to YouTube. Y por favor déjame comentarios solamente positivos abajo. Give me advice and constructive criticism, but just be nice and be kind because I'm being very vulnerable right now. Entonces en este video voy a hacer un get ready with me, mi maquillaje, porque necesito poner maquillaje por otro video que necesito film for Instagram, or Instagram reel. So I'm just getting ready to do a hair Instagram reel. Y ahora yo poner la Glossier Future Dew Oil Serum. Yo pensé que yo poner mucho y no necesito, pero es muy bonita. A nice little glow. Próximo voy a poner este base de concealer from Rare Beauty. No sé por qué it's not autofocusing, but this is in the color 32W and I just put this all over. Pero cuando yo soy una chiquita pequeña, una niña, no sé, when I was growing up, I grew up around Spanish speaking people, and most of the time we would do this weird thing where, well, it's actually not that weird, it's more common than most people may think, or maybe it's just common in general, to grow up around like Spanish speaking people and they speak Spanish to you but you answer in English. And that's literally been me my whole life. With my family, it's basically like the third generation. Like my grandparents speak Spanish, my parents speak Spanish, and then my generation, we don't speak Spanish, like barely, but we do understand, I would say 90% of it. Like I understand almost everything that my family speaks to me in Spanish. It's a little bit different when other people try speaking to me in Spanish because I'm just not familiar with like how they speak or how fast they speak and stuff like that. So it could be a little bit more difficult, but for the most part, I understand Spanish pretty well. And I definitely know more than I think I do. I've always just been very intimidated, I guess, to speak it because I know I don't speak it well. But the only way I'm gonna get better is by practicing. Ok, próximo voy a poner este colorete from Rare Beauty in the color Happy or Feliz. No sé cómo se dice blush, pero una persona comenté on mi TikTok que blush is colorete or rubor. Y no sé qué palabra, pero sí, colorete or rubor. Y necesito un poquito porque es muy, ¿cómo se dice? Pigmented. Ok, próximo voy a poner un poquito de contour. No sé cómo se dice contour. Is it colorete también, or does it have a different word? Because colorete to me is just like color. I'm actually gonna Google it. Let's see. Okay, according to Google, contour is contorno. So voy a poner mi contorno. Ok, yo pienso que mi problema mejor es que yo no sé cuándo cambiar las palabras por like past tense, future tense, or present or whatever. Like I don't know how to change the different tenses of the words. Y también tiene problema cuando necesito cambiar from feminine to masculine, like changing las or los. I always get that mixed up. And then, I don't know, like I know what I want to say, I know the right words, but I don't put them together correctly, I guess. Y eso es que yo necesito practicar mucho, pero la más que yo hablo en español, lo más que yo aprendo. Y si tú quieres más videos en español, déjame un comentario abajo y yo puedo hacer eso. También cuando hablo en español, yo pienso que mi voz cambio un poquito y yo tengo una lisp a veces y no sé por qué. I know there's probably a handful of my regular subscribers who speak Spanish, but there's probably plenty more people who don't. So if you are watching this video and you don't speak Spanish, hopefully I have already put like English subtitles of what I'm trying to say on the bottom of the screen so you can follow along. Oh, también estoy poniendo mi polvo. Eso es de Elf. ¿Cómo se dice este? Este es Halo Glow Setting Powder in the color medium. Con mi esponja. Esponja. ¿Cómo se dice sponge? Esponja. 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 See, that's the thing. I always change the end of the word. Esponja. So, estoy poniendo mi polvo con mi esponja. Esponja, sí. Próximo voy a hacer mis cejas y voy a usar la Micro Brow Pencil from NYX y yo usar la color Espresso. Y también voy a poner este NYX Eyebrow Glue. Y por mis labios voy a poner este lápiz labial. No sé cómo se dice el lipstick, pero eso que me dije en Google es lápiz labial. And it's from Glossier in the color Ember. Un poquito de eso porque es muy dark. Y no quiero todos mis labios dark. ¿Cómo se dice dark? Oscuro. No quiero que mi labios es más oscuro. Solo un poquito. Y también otro color que se llama Vela encima de mis labios. Y próximo voy a usar este para mis pestañas. En eyelash curler. Y último voy a poner este mascara de Rare Beauty en mis pestañas. Y eso es todo por este video. Si tú te gusta y te quiero videos en español, mándame un thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Y adiós, chao, te amo, see you next time, bye.